Welcome to this week's Pass the FE Exam video, your go-to resource for acing the FE exam and advancing your engineering career. Today I'll be diving into one of the most important steps on the journey to becoming a licensed engineer, preparing for the FE exam. I'll explore effective strategies to utilize your strengths and weaknesses in each exam topic, as well as discuss techniques for retaining information to maximize your domain knowledge. This video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975.
PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the FE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all the options available for FE exam prep. Let's dive in.
Once you've decided to register for the FE exam, or if you're in the planning phase, the next crucial step is to prepare for it. Finding study techniques and strategies that work for you is key to making the process friendly with your workload and daily responsibilities. Strategies help us organize information into patterns and encourage purposeful learning. Understand the exam specifications is essential. So as an example, let's take a look at the areas of knowledge covered in the Fundamentals of Engineering or FE exam for the Civil CBT exam. The exam consists of 14 areas, including mathematics and statistics, ethics and professional practice, engineering economics, statics, dynamics, mechanics of materials, fluid mechanics, surveying, water resources and environmental engineering, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, and construction engineering. To start your studying process, it's important to recognize your strengths and weaknesses in each topic. Break down the areas and determine what you need to reinforce. Begin by reviewing the topics you feel most comfortable with, and then proceed to study those topics that require more attention. You might even give yourself a quantitative score from 0 to 5 to help you chart your strengths. I understand that the amount of content may seem overwhelming for the exam, especially when study time is limited. However, there are techniques for retention of information that can help you with your main objective of acquiring as much domain knowledge as possible. So let's review a few of these techniques. One effective strategy for improving your learning efficiency is to understand how you learn best. Recognizing your learning habits and styles can greatly enhance the studying process. There are various theories about learning styles that can provide valuable insights into your preferred approach. It's also crucial to learn in multiple ways. Instead of solely relying on auditory learning, such as listening to podcasts or lectures, find ways to engage with the material verbally and visually. Consider describing what you've learned to a friend, taking comprehensive notes, or creating mind maps to really solidify the knowledge. You have to try different things. Another powerful technique is to teach what you've learned to another person. If you have a classmate who is also preparing for the exam, seize the opportunity with them to share your knowledge. Translating the information into your own words helps reinforce your understanding, and by sharing it, you will deepen your comprehension further. Utilizing previous learning to promote new learning is an effective strategy as well. Relate new information to things you already know, making connections to enhance your understanding and retention. Lastly, gaining practical experience is invaluable. Engage in exercises using online resources, NCAAS textbooks, and practice exams. These resources allow you to practice and master the topics that need reinforcement, building your confidence and expertise. And you should do it in a time setting, just like the exam. That wraps up our discussion on breaking down your study plan for the FE exam. Remember, finding the right strategies and techniques that work for you and leveraging your strengths in your study habits are the keys to your success in passing the exam. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, I will answer more of your FE exam questions and run through more FE practice problems. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click that subscribe button, as you'll get expert tips and tricks, including practice problem solutions weekly, to ensure that you pass the FE exam. And please, I encourage you to ask questions in the comments below, and I will read and respond to them in future videos. Maybe there's a specific topic you want me to cover, or a question you need answered. Pass the FE exam will have you covered. I'll see you next week on Pass the FE exam.